Hello lovely people, once again welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name remains Lydia, and on this channel I mainly talk about fashion, styling hacks, sewing and general lifestyle. So if you are someone interested in such things, then you are at the right place. Kindly click that button to subscribe to become part of this beautiful growing family. And to my existing subscribers, thank you for your support. Thank you so much. May God continue to bless. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you various hacks that you can use to rock your scarf effortlessly as bodice. And I have full scarf video tutorial on this channel where I have featured 25 basic ways you can use scarf to elevate your outfit. I'm going to leave the link somewhere in this video so you can click to watch later on. But in this video, let's get straight into how we are going to rock these scarves effortlessly as bodice. So our first look is creating sleeveless v-neck from this piece. Fold it into 4. Tie a knot at the 4th fold and then open it, and voila, you have it. Put it on and then make a crossover and tuck in, and there you have a very cute v-neck sleeveless top. It's very secured. Don't think it's going to fall off. This is very secured, workable and pragmatic. Use the same process or formula to create beach cover when you have bigger scarf. Our next style is the front draped or the batwing sleeve. Put the scarf around your neck, then hold the two inner fabric, the tip of the inner fabric, and then hook it together, and then tie it around the waistline to create a very beautiful drape. Push the knot into your pants for more beautiful look, and then push the excess fabric to cover the back. And for more put together look, you can tuck in the front. Our next style is the Hanky turtleneck blouse. Wrap the scarf around your neck and push the excess down to cover the back, and then fasten the front with the hook to create a little tablet or decorative effect. You can leave it just like this, or you can tuck in the front for more put together look. And there you have your hanky or symmetrical blouse. Our next style is the one shoulder draped blouse. Tie a knot in the middle of the scarf. Put it on one shoulder. Open it side by side. Tie it to the front and push it inside your pants. Do the same with the front side. Tie it to the back and secure it with a belt if you want for more put together look. And there you have your draped one shoulder blouse looking all yummy. I'm going to go ahead to accessorize with this beautiful bowl that I bought from AliExpress. I have styled this with other outfit before, and now I'm styling with this one to make it more beautiful and stylish. Our next blouse is the halter neck blouse. In a bodice crossover position, roll over the excess fabric and secure the ends at the back. Define the waistline with the belt, and there you have this symmetrical cute blouse. For more put together look, you can also tuck in to create this little cute blouse. And for more elegant look, you can throw over blazer or kimono for more stylish and elegant look. Our next style is the popular kimono. Fold the scarf into two in front and secure a knot, and then push it around your neck. Execute the style that is being shown and then roll it over your head to the neck. Release your hands up and then push the excess fabric downwards to create this beautiful kimono. You can also have the wrap kimono blouse by wrapping it around your waist and secure it with a knot, and there you have it. Beautiful wrap kimono, looking more put together and stylish. Our next blouse is the sleeveless cowl neck top. Fold it into 4 equal parts. Hold the middle and secure it with a knot. Open it and tie any ends that you like loosely around your neck to create the fall of this beautiful drape, and secure the middle again with a knot. And there you have a very beautiful draping effect, cowl neck flowing, and you can use it to wear your blazer and looking more put together, stylish and gorgeous.
Thank you, subscribe.